What's up guys, Pizzle's Tech Time, back again with another video. Nah, this ain't none of that, this is an intro to my channel. Welcome guys, 2018 is gonna be crazy, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna be crazy. As soon as I get my computer back, because I'm telling you, it's gonna be lit. Alright, so my computer's broken right now, but if you're stumbling upon this video, I'm still pushing out some videos, okay? Because I still have my camera. That's right, I still got my camera. It's right here. So I'm still recording a video. I got my laptop jerry-rigged to my monitor, and I'm still trying to do this. I'm not stopping. So I just wanted to thank you guys for coming over to my channel. And I haven't had my computer for a week now, and I'm just jonesing. But I'll have it back. Because if CyberPower doesn't send me my computer back, I'm gonna go over there. We're gonna go to California, and I'm gonna bring my YouTube camera, and I'm gonna say, "Hey, I'm a YouTuber. Fix my computer." No, but on the real, guys, thank you so much for coming to visit my channel. This is just a little trailer that I'm making for new people coming on over, and they don't know about Pizzle's Tech Time. So let me tell you, it's Pizzle's Tech Time, Pizzles. And that's just a name that my friends used to call me in high school, so I figured why not make a channel out of it. I'm going to be doing tech unboxing, tech reviews, and overall, guys, I'm not a genius. I didn't go to college for technology, so I just want you guys to know I'm just a regular guy, and I'm just trying to help people. So when you hear me talk about technology, it's just my opinion, and I'm really not trying to tell you guys that I know anything more than you, or anything like that. I'm just trying to share my opinions, and hopefully you guys will take into account my opinion, and I'll take into account your opinions. So if you have anything that you want to share with me, drop it down in the comments below. And if you want to become a member of Pizzle's Tech Time, subscribe, hit that button, and hit that bell so you can get notified when I drop my next video. Hopefully I'll have my computer so I can edit it and it doesn't look terrible. But thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Later.